Good morning, guys. Stefano here. And as I promised, I'm going to make myself some nice bulletproof coffee, and I want you guys to check it out, okay? So I'm going to show you how I do it. All right, so. Okay, first of all, we start off with some Dunkin' Donuts coffee, original blend. You can use whatever kind of coffee you really want, but I choose to use that one, okay? And we're going to use some Hood's whipping cream, but any whipping cream is good. Got some Kerrygold over here. This is this is the unsalted. No, it's grass fed. It's good stuff. This is like the best. All right, and then we got some MCT oil. So I'm gonna put this all into this here bullet cup all together. Well, not the coffee beans. It's gonna be in coffee form. All right, and then I'm gonna blend it up, and then I'm gonna pour it into this here big, nice mug, and that's it. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of the MCT oil. We're gonna have 1 tablespoon of the Kerrygold, and 3 tablespoons of the creamer, and then the rest is gonna be about 12 ounces of coffee. So I'm gonna put that together. Okay, what I like to do is first I like to add the butter, and I've already previously cut it. If you get Kerrygold on the back here, it's hard to see, I know, but it has the measurements on there. Okay, so you just cut along the measurements, and it makes it nice and easy for you. Then what I'll do is I'll put the MCT oil in first, and I'll add a coating for the creamer when I put that on. Put 2 of those in there. Doesn't have to be leaping. You just, try to do your best. It's a big bottle.
Hold on. She's scratching at the door. I know, baby.
Then put 3 of these in. And then we're going to add some coffee into it. What I like to do is I like to clean off my spoon with the coffee, because you don't want to waste any of that deliciousness that you have going on over there. Okay? So I'm going to pour that on there until you get to about there. What I like to do is I like to put in this better stevia. This is all natural, organic. This is pretty much extract right from the stevia plant. All right, so I don't go crazy with this. I like to put about I don't know, 8 to 10 drops in this, if that. So you just you'll see them come out in little drops. 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's plenty. And if you think it's not plenty, you just add a couple more drops. But I'll tell you right now, that's super duper sweet. Close this up. I'm gonna zing this around in a bullet, and I'll be right back. After 3 quick pulses, you're ready to go. Okay? Unscrew your cap, and you'll see this beautiful foamy look. Look at that. Okay? Delicious. Now what we're going to do is, very carefully, we're going to pour this in and go in an upward motion. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Yeah, just like a coffee shop. Okay? There we go. And there you have it, guys. Now we just have to clean up, drink her down, and yummo yummo. Here we go. Mmm. that first cup of coffee. Really starts off the day. This gives you lots of energy. The MCT oil is great for you. Oh yeah. So this is how I'm starting off my day. Thank you for watching.